This is Speak Bulgarian with Bella, audio series. We are going to the supermarket, the public supermarket. This is the market of each town and each village where the grannies used to sell their own production from their own garden, homemade fruit and vegetables and herbs. So, do you know what's the Bulgarian for lovage, mint, nettle, or rumex? Well, then stay tuned. I will explain right now. Lovage in Bulgarian is deve sil. Deve sil. Faster. Deve sil. Deve sil. If you want to buy deve sil, lovage, we'll say дай ми една връзка deve sil. Моля те. Give me a bundle of lovage, please. Дай ми една връзка deve sil. Моля. How about mint? Mint is a difficult word. Jojen. Imagine that you say the word junior, j, and this is the sound in this word. Jojen. Repeat with me. Jojen. 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 Give me a bundle of Jojen, please. Дай ми една връзка Jojen, моля. How about nettle? The Bulgarian for nettle is kopriva. Nettle is very rich in vitamins and especially in vitamins very good for the blood. Nettle is kopriva. Kopriva. A bundle of nettle will be една връзка kopriva. And how about Rumex? Do you know what Rumex is? Rumex is also a typical spring plant that Bulgarians used to prepare a lot with rice. Rumex and rice. Ориз с спанак. Or oris with lopush. Oris с lopush. Lopush or lapat. These are both the same one and the same thing. So in Bulgarian, Rumex is lopush or lapat. It depends on which area in Bulgaria are you from. Some people say lopush, some of them say lapat. Both are correct. And let's now order to the granny in the supermarket, in the public market. Дай ми една връзка лопуш, моля. Една връзка лопуш, моля. Дай ми една връзка лопуш, моля. Give me a bundle of Rumex, please. I hope you enjoyed this class. Keep on coming back to my channels, both on podcasts at SoundCloud, also at YouTube, the channel of Speak Bulgarian with Bella, and also on Facebook, Speak Bulgarian with Bella. Hello once again, Speak Bulgarian with Bella here, audio series. This is part 2 of what to buy from the market, the public market, Какво да купим от пазара? What to buy from the public market. And the topic in this second part is again herbs. Do you know what's the Bulgarian for savory, celery, lettuce, radishes, parsley? Okay, so these are herbs and vegetables in Bulgarian that are very delicious and are also very well known. They are very well known among the Bulgarians. So let's start. Čubrica is the savory. Čubrica. Repeat with me. Čubrica. Čubrica. A bundle of savory. Връзка чубрица. Дай ми една връзка чубрица, моля. Връзка чубрица. Next word. Celery. The Bulgarian for celery is целина. 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 Give me a bundle of celery, please. Дай ми една връзка целина, моля. Дай ми една връзка целина, моля. And here I present some spring typical vegetables like the lettuce, the radishes and the parsley. This is the typical spring salad for the Bulgarians. Салата от маруля. Lettuce, маруля. Репички, radishes. Маруля, репички. Lettuce, маруля. Репички, radishes. The typical parsley to this salad is Magdanos. 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 It's like the name Magdalena, the short name Magda, and then nos. Magdanos. Repeat with me. Magdanos. A bundle of parsley. Връзка Magdanos. Give me a bundle of parsley, please. Дай ми една връзка Magdanos, моля. Give me a bundle of parsley, please. Дай ми една връзка Magdanos, моля. Did you like this short audio? Well then, give me your comments, both on the podcast and also inside the YouTube channel, Speak Bulgarian with Bella. We are also present on Facebook, on the page Speak Bulgarian with Bella, and inside the Facebook group Bella's Bulgarian Hub. You're very welcome to give me your feedback so that I get motivated for further uploads of new resources in Bulgarian. Follow me on YouTube, subscribe for the channel of YouTube Speak Bulgarian with Bella. It's really important for the channel to grow, and we'll see you inside Bella's Bulgarian Hub and the Facebook page Speak Bulgarian with Bella.